Well, hello. This is, you can see my shadow of my hands maybe. This is Clay Cast at the New Jersey CLAYATHON 2018. And this has been my workspace for the last 3 days. And see, I got all this mess just sprawled out over the table. But it's great. The space is big. I got all of this space. So legitimately I was supposed to stop here. But my table partners didn't come. So I just kept going. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I've got a wonderful table partner over here that I met down here. And her name is Amy, and she lives in New York City. She makes these wonderful flow stones. And they're so beautiful. They are real rocks covered with polymer clay. So yes, and Amy has also written a book called Flow Stones. Yes, yes, I'm having so much fun here. The room is huge. It's early in the morning. And so many of us aren't here yet. There's just a couple of us. A couple of ladies sitting behind me having a nice conversation.
I'm like, well, I wasn't going to tell them, but I already bought them. Oh, it was funny.
Say hello.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah. Yeah. And she's working on a spectacular necklace. She went to a workshop with Donna Kato. Yes, of Kato Clay. And her necklace is just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Awesome sauce?
Yes, yes. So yeah. But I thought I would just show a little bit of what's happening here. Some of the ladies are so talented and forward thinking. Someone bought a big gallon. Yeah, Varathane. Varathane is really hard to find in small containers, and so this resourceful lady bought a big one and put it in some pint-sized bottles and is selling them. I'm on the bus, but I might get a ride home, so I might consider coming to get one of those bottles. Yeah.
I'm really not a big breakfast gal, so this is what you have to eat some. You do. I really struggled when I had my kids.
Wow. The things some of us have been creating is just too awesome. I believe these things here are chips from a poker game we call left, right, center. I didn't play. I was bad.
Aren't they gorgeous?
Yeah, those were the charity dolls.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. So yes, most definitely. Ooh, I'm gonna reach over and pick up one of her dolls. I didn't get all the information on the doll, but it was Cynthia Ten Apple had these wonderful dolls for charity. I'm gonna have to get more information on them. Well, I'm gonna say toodaloo for now. Okay, bye-bye.